Hey everybody, so okay guys, we are about to load into Overlook Bay. Like you guys, we have 1 more minute till Overlook Bay releases.
Holy cow.
Guys, if you can hear my voice in the background, it's my little brother. He's also doing this thing with me, so say hi, Kason.
Hi.
Don't forget, y'all, it's 6 o'clock.
Hasn't it been 6 o'clock?
We're gonna go to Honey the Unicorn. See what he's like doing.
Yeah, I was saying, but kidding.
And everybody's gonna be like screaming because
People were dying.
guys, we have 1 more minute left till a year worth game comes out. I'm like literally chatting in the private chat saying like, oh my god.
Here.
You're in the game?
I'm in private chat.
I'm on the...
In your account.
One girl said, oh my god, I'm so excited. Who's not? Yo, we've less than a minute until Overlook Bay comes out. You guys, no way. Honey the Unicorn is... Thank you. Before we get into Overlook Bay, I want to thank Honey so much for making this game possible for all of us. All the 20,000 people watching. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
You got 1,000 now.
You're in the game?
You just got 1,000 likes just a second ago.
You guys, oh my god.
No, we have 3,000 now. God.
To 6,000.
4,000.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Overlook Bay.
Okay, 10, 9.
Oh, Jason, you're not live.
Yeah. Baby's out. It's not out. I'm reloading my page. Hurry up.
Discord?
Yeah.
That's why it's here. Guys, buy access. We just bought Overlook Bay.
I'm playing it.
I'm playing it. Guys, we're in Overlook Bay.
We're in Overlook.
Guys, I'm in Overlook Bay.
Corgi, freaking Corgi.
Overlook Bay. Overlook Bay. Overlook Bay.
No. Gotta get in quick.
Guys, Overlook Bay, no joke.
Cause everybody might. Look!
Oh my god, guys, Overlook Bay. Are you loading?
Huh?
Oh my god, Overlook Bay. Oh my god, guys, I'm freaking out. Overlook Bay, it's out. Honey, shush.
I'm gonna exit our channel.
Oh my gosh, guys,
hurry
Overlook
up.
Bay.
Come on, hurry up. I don't care about your data. Hurry up.
I'm glitched.
Me too. Oh, it feels like it's lagging. Come on, let's go.
Oh my god,
I've been waiting. This is just loading house data. Hurry up.
Is this keep saying loading outside of? Oh my god, Overlook Bay.
There's too many people who already joined.
Yeah, it's glitching everybody because a lot of people have already joined.
People already liked it. Millions of people already in the servers. No wonder it's taking so long. There are millions of people already seeing it. Has it taken over Dotty yet? It's the same house as yours.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go to games and see what we're looking
It is over 1,000 visits.
at. Over the bay should be over without me.
Yeah, it didn't really let me in, so I have to rejoin because a lot of people were joining at that 1 second. So,
Yeah.
it's keeping everyone in the loading game.
Yeah.
Y'all, comment down below. Is it like keeping you in the loading game?
Really hard to do.
Loading player data.
It's just loading game. Now it's saying.
Okay. Loading assets.
It says loading.
Done. Play.
Player
Play.
It says.
I'm in Overlook Bay. Hello, everybody. I'm in Overlook Bay. Where's my corgi? Where's my corgi?
Is this place?
Where's my corgi?
I'm claiming my street.
Where's my corgi?
My street. I'm gonna go. The pet shop.
Where's my corgi?
Pet shop.
How do you go to the pet shop? Where's my corgi?
Where's my corgi?
Guys, where's my corgi?
What? How do you open? My corgi.
Where?
Click the backpack. Let's go, corgi. Shut up, corgi. Let's go.
Where is it?
It's so kill.
Oh, I see the backpack. Click the back. Give back. You
I'm
guys,
holding my
pick up my corgi.
Where's
Oh,
my car?
so cute.
I'm playing this all day. Let's go, car.
My corgi. Yo, we're definitely naming this
How do
Pumpkin.
you move this car?
Pumpkin, I love the name Pumpkin, everybody. Yo, look at my corgi. How do I pick it up? Oh my god, my corgi. So cute. Everybody,
You
please.
can't move in the car for some reason.
Yes, you can.
Access it, but
Is your car blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, just move.
Okay, now it's moving.
You guys, look at this game. Oh, okay, there you go.
I'm dead. I might have better die. And
Yo, I think the first place we're gonna head is the roller skating place because that's a place that I've been always wanting to go.
the first place where you have to buy the road.
Okay, I'll buy it. I have like 1,000 gems plus.
I need to go to the pet shop.
I know, right? How do I even get out of the neighborhood? I'm actually just driving around.
And I like how the game, it takes you hard. Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
How?
No, I got to the new city.
Oh, you can just teleport. XD. Hey, everybody. How do I go? Oh, yeah, you can't go faster.
Okay, where is...
Okay, Kaysen. What's up, Kaysen? Hey, guys, make sure to go subscribe to Prison Blaze.
Wishing well.
To Wishing Well.
Stop, I can't do anything. And guys, you can't go in the penthouse.
You have to,
Oh, there it is.
where?
There's the pet shop.
You guys, let's head there right now.
Now.
I want to go have
some pet pods.
yeah, guys, because why not?
Nah. Oh, yeah.
Where is my corgi?
My corgi's in and I'm going. I got stuck. Let's go, corgi. Where's my corgi? Stop responding.
Okay, guys, we're in the pet shop. Okay.
I need sprint. Okay, I'm going. I'm here.
Okay, y'all. Okay, we're here. We're gonna first buy the, like, lame one, which is this one here. We're gonna buy a bronze ticket. See what we can get, you guys, because why not? I mean,
diamond. Or whatever I can buy.
guys, because why not? Wait, guys, I think we should have bought the most expensive.
No, because I don't want to spend. I want to get like, the most expensive. I'm gonna buy golden. Buy. Okay. Where's my golden? Where's the golden? Think that this is the bronze.
Where do I access them at?
Okay, the golden. Now I got my own pet pod. See, one person got an alien koala. I got my own pet pod.
Where do I don't have mine. Where's it?
Okay, what do you get? Bronze? What do you get?
I
Bronze?
got this easy one here.
The bronze?
No.
That's it. Okay, just
Yeah, the bronze. Sorry, yes, I did.
Go over here. Oh, quickie.
Oh yeah.
I'm throwing this thing.
Woo, you guys! Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh my god, guys!
I got a freaking llama. I got a freaking llama.
Oh my god, I got that cheese ball I was talking about in my live stream! We're gonna go open some more, you guys.
I think I have enough for bronze. No, I don't have anything.
What? Oh my god, you guys! This is so cute.
I'm dying. I have a llama.
I really want a
I
llama.
literally have a llama. Oh my god. Apricot. Oh, it looks so cute.
I got the same thing. You gotta be kidding me.
Can we trade? Wait, stay still. We can't do anything. And it's just like adopt me. I never stopped playing. Someone got a unicorn. Oh,
No way.
an alicorn. It's an alicorn. Oh, well. Excuse me. I should have saved it. Yeah, because these pets cost Robux. There's a monkey. It's ultra rare. It costs Robux. And there's a
Oh my gosh, I got the cute like dog.
Oh, I'm spinning the wheel.
I got a spotted pup and 2 mouses.
I forgot about the wheel. I want to hit the wheel. But it's not moving.
What wheel?
The wheel right next to Tyson.
Because you've already spinned it today. You click E.
Yeah, I clicked.
Okay, well then I guess we've already spent it today. Guys, we're first going to start off by taking care of our... Oh my gosh. We gotta collect some fruit, you guys. Let's bring out a pet. We're gonna bring out our mouse because it's so cute. We're naming it,
I need to go get some money.
Oh my god.
Come on, Corgi.
Cheese Puff. We're naming this Cheese Puff because that's just
What?
cute.
Do what?
My, mouse.
Name. Name 9.
Guys, this game feels just so different, I swear.
I know, it's really hard.
Wow, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Because I'm running out of time to record. I've recorded for 13 minutes.